I reckon most homeowners want to put a system on and then not have to worry about it. And that really is, another component that may not be very well discussed, especially around the aspects of who pays for repairs if there is anything. People want to put it on there and forget about it and not have to worry about repairs. They want to invest in a product that is not likely to fail. And in the event that there is an issue, they also want to have that certainty and comfort that there is a company that will be able to service them. For all warranty claims, we are the first point of contact. However, they are definitely reassured by the fact that when you have a well-established brand in the background, there is a reasonable amount of security in knowing that there is going to be someone who will be able to service your system. So the reason people invest in a quality system is really about their total ownership experience, is to ensure they've got the lifespan, the output that they need, and the security and comfort of knowing that they're not up for any sudden bills. Our primary focus is the ability to deliver a solution. It is not about delivering one part of a solution, but to deliver an end-to-end solution. There are customers we spend weeks working with to ensure that they get the solution that they need for their property and what works for them. It really is about delivering a quality product at prices that are reasonable. One of our mottos has always been to be honest with people, and I think people appreciate that.